Welcome, and come on into the kitchen. I have been thinking about Easter coming up and some changes that I could make to my menu. Now, we're a small family, so I thought these Cornish hens would be just the ticket. Let me show you how I make them. Go ahead and set your oven on 375 so it can be preheating. Then take your birds to the sink and give them a good wash. Sometimes you'll find feathers or bits or pieces that need to be trimmed off as well. And then you'll want to dry your bird thoroughly. Now I roughly cut and chop some carrots, onions, and celery to make a bed in my baking dish to place my birds on. I want to infuse these flavors in my birds as they cook. I also ran out to the greenhouse and grabbed me a couple of stalks of rosemary just to add to my aromatics. Now you can use sage, oregano, or whatever herb you like. Now let's grab a bowl and mix up a seasoning blend. I use salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and some dried parsley. Now I'm going to drizzle my birds with olive oil, and I do this for two reasons. Number one, it'll give my seasonings something to adhere to, and number two, it'll make the skin crisp up better on the birds. Now that I have my birds seasoned inside and out, the last thing I like to do is put a pat of butter up under the skin on the breast side. This makes them taste so much better. Now, after 55 minutes in the oven at 375, this is what they look like. Now keep in mind, every oven is different. If they start to get too dark on you, you can tint them with foil. And also, I use my meat thermometer, and I kept checking the thigh area and then down in the breast till I reached 165. I did not want to overcook these birds. Now, there's really no pretty way to eat these birds. You just have to get a fork and a knife and just start cutting into it. But I wanted to show you all this. Look how tender and how juicy this is. Watch. See that juice right there? Oh, it was delicious. I had to take a bite as soon as it got cool enough, but it was delicious. It was so juicy, and all of the seasonings that we put on the skin, it was just wonderful. I will definitely be giving this a try and see if my family likes it at Easter. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video and in turn make this dish for your family. If you do, leave me a comment and let me know how your family liked it. If you enjoy simple Southern cooking, be sure to like and subscribe, and then check out my other videos. Talk to y'all later.